Sayang sa tanaw na, pero lisod, buhaton. Yan.
Oh, expert, huh?
Oy, nabali.
Oh, not an expert.
Pero di ay nabali. Sayang mo ya, dili siya mo bali. Sulog yapon. Oh.
Ay, sige na. Sige, pasok. Okay na siya.
Ayaw ka bala ka. Okay na nino. Go yapon. Uy, awis. Selamat. Moni si awas. Awis di ay, awis. Among migo diri sa Dumangyati, Bagakay. How's it going?
Oh, this is my good friend Keith.
What's up, man? Nice to meet you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Today's your birthday?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, so today we're camping kami, kauban nila. So among friends, taga Bais sila. Ang usa ambot kung taga sa man siya kay. Marakano po siya? Taga? Dawin. Yeah, buddy. There you go.
I got it.
Babe, where are we?
We're back at
Mercedes.
Mercedes' house, near Mercy's place. I'm just braiding my hair. So hot. But we're back in Bais. Nice.
Nice Bais.
Nice.
Yes, so we're back here because it is our man On's birthday. So our plan was to go to camping. I'm not sure where we're gonna do that.
I don't even think he's sure. But
Yeah, just gonna be a spontaneous trip here with the crew. It's gonna be a good time, so stay tuned. Kumusta, tita? Okay ra? Mo ni si titang pinaka-aptik magluto og chocolate. Pinaka the best. Yes, she is better than Zoe cooking chocolate. Yes.
Thank you.
oh wow, that's really green.
Are you sure that's not Formula 44M?
A little ant in there.
It's
Bigger.
Okay, it's a couple ants, but
What is that?
green. Whoa, it's so green.
Green honey.
Look at it.
Mas healthy ni siya.
With a couple of ants. I'll just get the non-ant side.
Just go for it.
Protein. I always like so many ants go to my coffee.
That's so weird. Green honey.
Tasty, but it's got like a mint flavor.
I think it's Colgate.
Oh yeah,
John, would you like to try?
Yeah, what the? It's minty.
it's minty.
Jaeger
It tastes like lollies. What does like a candy?
Diri gikan di ayang Max candy. Healthy di ayang Max.
Yeah, Max is healthy.
Oh yeah. Lami kayo.
Give the ants up.
Sige, so diri mi ni balhin. Diri taas sa usa ka bukid. Here at the top of the mountain. Murag diri kami mo tulugon niya. Diri kami mag camping. O diri pod kami mo kaon og lechon kay birthday party. Zoe.
Oh.
Unsa man eh?
Uy.
Bastos. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday. Happy
I
birthday.
did the Australian version.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Don't eat this part.
You guys.
Sige mo ni siya ang handa ni On. Tinuguan.
Luguan.
Lami sa tanan.
Birthday.
Birthday. Kay syempre og lechon basta may birthday.
Anak, yun.
Unsa ni siya? Spaghetti.
Brad.
Brad.
Para sa mga Pilipino.
For a long time.
Long life, no? Dapat may pasta.
Filipino, oh. Wow.
Yeah.
Dry rice is life.
Of course.
We will finally be free, free of all our expectations. No more couple invitations. I wanna let go, let go. I want it.
Oh, alright. Naka-survive kami. Kagabi, we survived last night. It was raining.
Quite heavily.
I guess I didn't really vlog too much yesterday after we had some lunch. I'm sorry. So I'll fill you in. Basically, we had some lunch. We listened to some music. We had fun with On's birthday. Just kind of
You
just chilling.
Pig's brain.
Yes. So
We.
I didn't get or I filmed it. This is me eating pig's brain. It was not too bad. Tastes like balut. They were trying to convince Zoe to eat it because they said it was as good as balut, but she hates balut, so she did not try it. Right?
Right, and you saw my Instagram post.
Kind of rainy all night. Here's our setup. We slept in here. Boss, mamuntag. Heath slept in a hammock over here. You got rained on.
It was a rainy night.
Rainy
I ended
night?
up in the truck. That's all I-
Yeah, he transferred to the truck. But yes, morning. We're gonna get some brekkie and then.
Joe usually looks better than this in the morning.
So we're gonna head back to Dumaguete after this. So. Oh, we're still going to Tanjay?
I don't know.
Yeah, we're going Tanjay.
Oh, all right. The adventure continues. Update. What's going on?
Dogs!
Yes.
There's so many dogs. We're at the Tanjay Mayor's house and he has dogs.
Zoe living her best life.
See one day.
All right, so we finished up here at Mayor's house. It was awesome. Dirisa Tanjay. It was awesome. Zoe was saving the dogs and killed the tick, but all the tick's juice is on me now. That was a juicy tick.
It was so gross. I picked it up and then I squished it with a rock and it just went
But now we are gonna go do a boodle fight, right?
something like that.
Mayor prepared a boodle fight.
Yeah, some dish and then some of damang. Is that right?
Tamang. Sige Zoe, hasta karon.
Mangroves. I don't know.
We're in Tanjay City.
Tanjay City.
Boardwalk.
Boardwalk mangroves. There we go. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Og,
It's
Oh.
nindot.
Wow.
Or as they say here, chada.
sige, so sa punta na ay... Ano sa gani? Sa punta na ay boodle fight, yes. Tanawa, mo ni siyang handa nila among boodle fight karon. Iyang tita naghimo ani, di ba?
Tita!
Hey, shout out tita!
Shout out!
Yes. So this is boodle fight, new normal. Got to use spoon and fork, because you know. Oh, can't say the word on the vlog.
Why?
Monetized. Sige, so karon muli na mi sa Dumaguete. Kung namo diri sa Tanjay.
Oh no, but I think we're going to go see Tara's Nipa farm. My favorite is Nipa.
Oh, true. But if you're here in Tanjay, come check it out. This place is
I
sick.
think it's chada.
Chada. Yeah, probably the
Chada
probably the coolest mangrove place we've seen.
It's chada thing.
Ting.
Ting 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 harala.
Gats man ang Gorgonia.
Gorgonia.
Oh, Cornelio.
Wow.
Ah, may kudakir din.
Kodaker.
Ay, kudakir man. Tantang sila yun sa iyo pag-imos, Nipa.
Mutanaw mi, okay ra?
Okay.
Saan ni siya? Atop sa balay.
Oo, ato.
Dugay na ka nakabuhat ani.
Dugay na. Maganda na gani.
Yeah. Di mailhan.
Hindi mailhan.
Bata pagyapon.
Wow, sarap.
Sarap. Sarap.
Ang sarap. Maskin matanda, bata pa rin.
Bata pa rin. Gwapa gyapon.
Ah, gwapa gyapon.
Oy,
Thank you.
mga kauban nimo. Taga diri mo tanan.
Oh, dirimitan na.
Ayos. Sige, musuway daw si Zoe. Si Ma'am Joey. First time niya. Wow.
Sorry if I break it. Where's the thing? There? Okay, now what? Oh, dili. No.
Uy, grabe.
Wrong.
Sala.
There. Here? Okay.
Bisaya.
Diri?
Yan. Bisaya na siya.
What's wrong? Like this?
Sige pa.
Okay. What happened? Twisted. Okay.
Tahi gyapon no? Mura siyang tahi.
Oh, nas garment.
Tahi sa sanina. Wala may lain. Pila inyong baligya or tagpilang baligya?
Comprador 315 ang kani-large, ang regular 230.
315 ang dako. Unsa na siya? Usa ka pile tanan or usa ka buok? Ha?
400.
For 100 pieces.
Yes.
Very good. Kana ni.
Okay, he reckons he's better than me.
Sige, dali lang ni. Pila no. Sa diay. Kana diri sa likod no.
Oh. you have to twist it.
Kana. Unya, tanan. Kuha na kong, ay, mabali na siya. Sige ra. Tanan? Para ligon. Unsaon para dili siya mabali. Kana. Sige. Lisod yan eh. Yamayin.
Sayo na siya tanawon.
Sayo siya tanawon na. Pero lisod, buhaton. Yan.
Oh, expert, huh?
Oy, nabali.
Oh, not an expert. It's not how you're supposed to do it. Bali.
Sakto na. Nabali yun siya. Pero di ay nabali. Sayo mo ya, dili siya mo bali. Okay na. Sulog yapon. Oh.
Sige, pasok. Okay na siya.
Ayaw ka balaka. Okay na nino. Go yapon. Fight yapon, fighter.
Your house is gonna let in all the rain.
Yan, kana.
What about the rest of it?
Ay! Lisod.
Oh my god.
Gitunga.
Sayon tanawon.
Sayon, tanawon. Sakto.
Not the best, but
Sige, ako mag-video nimo para kita na mo na paspas kayo, ha? Paspas kayo. Grabe, sana all. Sana all. Grabe yung sound mo ni. Wow.
You gotta redo my bit.
How are they so quick? So, pila ka buok imong buhaton sa usa ka adlaw?
Depende.
Depende sa order.
Kung makuha pa may ani, dili ka abot og 100. Pero kung dili na, makabot og 100.
So, mga 100.
Kuha ani.
Oh,
Kami po muluat na mo na siya buko-buko sa Nipa, so mo na siya gamaani.
mao ni siya ang mahal, kana ang gamay. Number 2.
Mo na siya ito 30 per 100, gani siya mo 350 per 100.
What's up, man? Are you impressed?
I'm so impressed because it looks easy, but it's not. I
No.
thought I could do it because I can sew, but no.
Bisan si nanay, paspas gyapon.
Bang. Skills.
Skill sa mga salingan daw sila. Ayos. Sige, so nibalik kami diri sa Tanjay. Tanjay, no?
Tama.
Tanjay sa balay ni Mayor. O nindot ni siya kay si Mayor mismo nagluto og pagkaon para sa mga OFW na niabot diri sa Pilipinas.
As
So,
PUMs.
PUMs?
Yeah, that are.
The people that need to be quarantined. So, ang government mismo, sila ni Mayor o mga councilor, basta sa government, sila nagluto, nag-prepare sila para muhatag sa mga quarantinees.
Quarantinis?
Is that the right word?
I don't think so. That sounds like Ovaltinis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero props to them.
Yeah. Super awesome effort. He stays up from like 2:30 to, I don't know, now I guess. Cooking.
Sige, so diri mo man ang vlog. So, unta na lingaw mo. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
It's so dark here.
Og
Amping matanan. Bye-bye. Naki, say bye. Bye-bye, si Naki. Bye-bye. Oh, don't attack. Bye-bye.
Every day, every night, every moment with you.